In the world of supercars, few nations evoke the same sense of automotive excellence as France. From the legendary Bugatti Veyron to other remarkable creations, the French automotive industry has ceaselessly pushed the boundaries of innovation. Among these awe-inspiring feats, the Genty Akylone emerges as a testament to French engineering prowess, crafted by Genty Automobile, a distinguished name in the realm of supercar manufacturing. Genty Automobile, founded by a French entrepreneur named Frederic Genty, and has embarked on an ambitious journey to bring the Akylone to life in 2015. The blueprint envisions a factory nestled in the charming town of St Pourcain sur Sioule, situated in the heart of France. This visionary move echoes the company's commitment to producing a supercar worthy of global recognition while paying homage to its homeland. The very essence of the Genty Akylone lies in its design, boasting a carbon composite chassis fortified with aluminum monoblock elements. This ingenious construction culminates in a tripartite body structure, effectively segregating the front, middle, and rear sections. Notably, the Akylone measures 4,467 mm in length, 2,050 mm in width, and rests on a 2,780 mm wheelbase. Remarkably, the supercar's svelte frame weighs a mere 1,100 kilograms, 2,400 pounds, an attribute owed in no small part to the carbon chassis that underpins its exceptional performance. Under the hood, the Genty Akylone harbors a powerhouse worthy of its sculpted exterior. After 2 years of meticulous refinement, Genty has endowed the Akylone with a 366 SID V8 engine, accompanied by twin turbos. The fruits of this labor manifest in staggering figures: a mammoth 1,200 horsepower and a tire-shredding 861 feet-pounds of torque. This raw energy is elegantly channeled to the rear wheels through a seamless 7-speed sequential transmission system, promising an exhilarating driving experience. However, the Akylone's prowess transcends mere numbers. Its lightning-quick acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in a mere 2.7 seconds catapults it into an elite league of performance vehicles. The supercar's top speed soars to an awe-inspiring 354 km per hour, 220 miles per hour, cementing its status as a true speed demon. It's worth noting that the Akylone's exclusivity aligns with its extraordinary capabilities. Production is limited to a select few, with just around 15 units slated for creation. Later, production was expanded through the introduction of 10 roadster versions. In a landscape where supercars vie for supremacy, the Genty Akylone stands as a quintessential embodiment of French engineering finesse. Its meticulously crafted carbon chassis, potent powertrain, and staggering performance metrics converge to redefine the supercar narrative. As Genty Automobile marches forward, its dedication to pushing boundaries and crafting automotive legends further solidifies France's indomitable presence on the global supercar stage. However, regrettably, this French manufacturer appears to still be in the process of seeking substantial funds for car production. An impressive roster of partners, including Michelin and 9FF Engineering, renowned for its finely tuned Porsches, demonstrates genuine commitment. Nonetheless, akin to many automotive startups, the acquisition of funding will prove pivotal for Akylone to potentially progress to production.
Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for exciting journeys. Until next time, keep driving, keep dreaming, and keep exploring the boundless horizons of automotive design.